Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss with you some problems from trigonometry. Here I bring the problems from the inverse trigonometric function. And the referred books here is Higher Mathematics, second paper, HSC curriculum. The first question is if f of x is equal to cot pi by 2 minus x, then solve the equation f of x whole square plus 4 f of x minus 5 equal to 0. Here if we substitute f of x by 10x, then it becomes 10 square x plus 4 10x minus 5. How I find 10x here? Because cot pi minus 2 minus x is equal to 10x. Then applying middle term 10 square x plus 5 10x minus 10x minus 5 equal to 0. So 10x times 10x plus 5 and minus 1 common, then times 10x plus 5, then we get 10x plus 5 times 10x minus 1. So 10x minus 1 equal to 0, 10x equal to 1, and then 10x equal to 10 pi by 4. So x equal to n pi plus pi by 4, or n belongs to z. Or 10x equal to minus 5, you can write 10x equal to 10 alpha, so x equal to n pi plus alpha, or n pi plus 10 inverse minus 5. Okay, now we have to find the value of cos square sin inverse 1 by root 3 minus sin square cos inverse 1 by root 2. You can write substitute this formula cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So cos square sin inverse 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 minus sin times sin inverse 1 by root 3 whole square. Similarly, you can substitute sin square theta by minus 1 plus cos square theta. So we find here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, now here another problem. P is equal to cos inverse x by 3, q is equal to cos inverse y by 2. If p plus q is equal to theta, then we have to prove that 4x square minus 12xy cos theta plus 9y square is equal to 36 sin square theta. Here p is equal to cos inverse x by 3 and q is equal to cos inverse y by 2. So again p plus q is equal to theta. So cos inverse x by 3 plus cos inverse y by 2 is equal to theta. Here I can apply the formula cos inverse xy by 3 times 2 minus 1 by root over 1 by 1 minus x square by 3 square times 1 minus y square by 2 square is equal to theta. Then if we bring cos these terms into the right hand side, then we get remaining this equal to cos theta. So then we can write xy by 6 minus cos theta is equal to this term. Then we find our required expression, which is by calculation we required expression is 4x square minus 12xy cos theta plus 9y square is equal to 36 sin square theta. Now if f of x equal to sin x, then solve the equation f of x plus f of 2x plus f of 3x is equal to 1 plus f of pi minus 2 minus x plus f of pi minus 2 minus 2x. We are given f of x equal to sin x, so f of x plus f of 2x plus f of 3x is equal to this 1 plus f of pi minus 2x plus f of pi minus 2 twice x. Then we get here sin pi minus 2x plus sin pi minus 2 minus 2x. So 1 plus cos x plus cos twice x. Here I can apply the formula sin c plus sin d2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x. Then we get 2 cos x plus 1 times sin 2x minus cos x. So here 2 cos x plus 1 times 2 sin x cos x minus cos x equal to 0. Then we can take common cos x here, then we get 2 cos x plus 1 times cos x plus times 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, then now we get cos x equal to 0, then we get x equal to 2n plus y, 2n plus 1 times pi by 2 where it belongs to z, and also cos x equal to minus half, so cos 2 pi by 3, so x equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3 where it belongs to z. 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies sin x equal to half is equal to sin pi by 6, so x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 6 where n belongs to z. Hence the second solution are this. Okay, we have to prove that cos inverse x is equal to 2 cos inverse root over 1 plus x by 2. First we assume y equal to cos inverse x, so x equal to cos y, then 1 plus x equal to 1 plus cos y is equal to 2 cos square y by 2, so 1 plus x by 2 is equal to cos square y by 2, cos y by 2 is equal to root over 1 plus x by 2, so y by 2 is equal to cos inverse root over 1 plus x by 2, so y equal to 2 cos inverse 1 plus x by, so this is the required expression we have to show. Here this is the question: a is equal to sin inverse 2 by 3, b is equal to cos inverse 3 by 4, c is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 5, and f of x equal to sin x. Prove that a minus half b plus c tan inverse root over 35 minus 1 divided by root over 7 plus root over 5. A is equal to sin inverse 2 by 3, b is equal to cos inverse 3 by 4, c is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 5, f of x equal to sin x. So left hand side is this term a minus half b plus c. We substitute a by this, b by this term, and c by this term. Here half cos inverse 3 by 4 is equal to theta, so cos inverse 3 by 4 is equal to twice theta. We can substitute cos twice theta by 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 3 by 4. So 4 minus 4 tan square theta is equal to 3 plus tan square theta, 3 plus 3 tan square theta. Okay, so 7 tan square theta is equal to 1, so tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7, so we get theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 7. Now our right hand side, here we get half cos inverse 3 by 4 is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 7, so this right hand side will change. So right hand side is sin inverse 2 by 3 minus half cos inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by root 5, tan inverse 2 by root 5 minus tan inverse 1 by root 7 plus tan inverse 1 by root 5, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy plus tan inverse another term. Then we apply tan inverse x plus tan plus y, tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Okay, here now from here we get our required expression, this tan inverse root over 35 minus 1 divided by root over 7 plus root over 5. Okay, now we have to find the solution of this equation where f of x equal to sin x, then f of x plus f of twice x plus f of thrice x equal to 0, sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x is equal to 0, so 2 sin twice x cos x plus sin twice x is equal to 0. We can take common sin twice x, we get 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0, sin twice x equal to 0, then twice x equal to n pi, that means x equal to n pi by 2 where n belongs to z. Similarly we get cos x equal to minus half, so cos x equal to 2 cos twice pi by 3, so x equal to 2 n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, here we have to prove that sin inverse twice x by 1 plus x square is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Let tan inverse x equal to theta, so x equal to tan theta. we know sin twice theta is equal to 2 tan theta plus divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So twice x by 1 plus x square. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse twice x by 1 plus x square. Cos twice theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So sin inverse twice x by 1 plus x square is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. If f of x equal to a cos x minus cos 7x and gx equal to sin x, then we have to find the general solution of this f of alpha is equal to sin 4 alpha. So f of x is equal to cos x minus cos 7x. F of alpha is equal to cos alpha minus cos 7 alpha. So f of alpha equal to sin 4 alpha. So cos alpha minus cos 7 alpha is equal to sin 4 alpha. We get 2 sin 4 alpha sin 3 alpha minus cos sin 4 alpha is equal to 0. Sin 4 alpha is equal times 2 sin 3 alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. Sin 4 as alpha is equal to 0. 4 alpha is equal to 1 pi. Alpha is equal to n pi by 4. 2 sin 3 alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. Sin 3 alpha is equal to sin pi by 6. 3 alpha is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 6. So n alpha is equal to n pi by 3 plus minus 1 to the power n times pi by 18. So theta is equal to n pi by 4 and 6 and plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 18, where n belongs to z. If g of pi minus 2x is equal to g of pi minus 2 pi gx, then we have to show that x equal to plus minus pi by 4 plus cos inverse 1 by 2 root 2. Here g of x equal to sin x. G of pi pi by 2 minus x is equal to g pi by 2 minus pi gx. We can substitute this by pi sin pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus pi sin x. So sin pi cos x, sin pi by 2 plus minus pi sin x. Pi cos x is equal to pi by 2 plus minus pi sin x. So cos x plus minus sin x is equal to half. So cos x plus minus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. So x equal to plus minus pi by 4 plus cos inverse 2 root 2. That's it for today. I hope these problems will help you to understand the topic easily. If you have any problem, any specific problem or any specific topic, please mention in my comment box. I will try to bring some problems from that topic in my next video. Thank you everyone. Please support my YouTube channel by subscribing it, and all the best for you. Assalamu alaikum.